How's it going, guys? It's Gemalanis here. Welcome to another sketch video. It's been 50 days now since we started working from home. We're lucky enough to be equipped with powerful tools that made it easier being disconnected from the office. It allowed us to be away from printers and scanners. Plus, I'm a result-oriented person, and I don't mind what my team members are doing in the day as long as they get the job done. Managing a remote office is not new to me. I've been doing that for the past 2 years. So everything should be easy for me, but it's a struggle. Trying to connect satellite offices, accomplish existing commitments, manage the process remotely, and maintaining my motivation. Some of us are working without proper working space, and many are working in a less ideal situation. We are fortunate that we still have jobs, but there is something in the office that binds everything together. It's pretty unreal. I never imagined myself to be in this situation. Home and office are two worlds colliding. I felt out of sync and out of balance. I admit, in the first few weeks, I was so stressed that made me take few days rest, hoping to regain my composure. Sort of a reset. And to make use of my time away from work, I've decided to look for inspirations, something to showcase in my videos. I ended up watching sketch after sketch, from portraits to architectural sketches. Then I realized I'm being hooked into one, watching and waiting for the outcome. There is some unknown reason that made me feel satisfied and relaxed when watching someone sketch. As I feel my eyes glued to the screen, I become more and more interested in the visual pleasure that is happening. Something therapeutic is occurring. It felt like I'm achieving an emotional clarity. So I picked my Wacom and started sketching. Scattered ideas started to flow like water, running through the tubular pen till it reached the tip of the nib, like it's coming out from a funnel. As my pen hovers on the screen, rough lines, shapes, scribbles are forming, as if my imagination is about to give birth to an awesome idea I've been figuring. A creative feeling when holding a pen, the freedom to illustrate what's in the mind, continuously stroking, not in a hurry, fascinated and seduced with how the strokes are taking shape. The desire to know what you want, then having the willingness to discover and finish the hunt. Thanks Joel for making this request, a meditational sketch video. I want to keep you involved in what I do, so feel free to send your request. And for more sketching videos, you can check the playlist in this channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.